Guys, the Shiba Inu Coin team has been relatively quiet lately, and so is the price of Shiba Inu Coin. After the team announced that they would be releasing the AAA graphics game as of October 1st, 2022, we've got less than a week left. Saturday is going to be here before you know it. They haven't been too active on social media accounts, and I believe that they should be stepping this up. The excitement should be here. They should be blowing it up right now, and it's going to be very important to see as many people as possible downloading the Shiba Eternity game once it is released, and really getting that game trending on both the App Store and Google Play so we can bring in as many members as possible. We're going to talk a little bit about that at the end of the video. We've talked about it a lot recently, but I also want to cover some of the levels of support and resistance that we could see just in case the overall market continues to move lower, but also if we break back up to the upside, how high we could go before reaching resistance if this game is a massive success. And then I also want to jump into the contest, give a little brief, intro into the contest that's going on out there. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets you $5 from free crypto. Yes, you can choose Shiba Inu Coin if you would like, and then if you want a crypto exclusive exchange that rewards active traders, you've got KuCoin in the description, and yes, you can buy Shiba Inu Coin there if you want. But we got a lot to discuss. And first, I just want to let's get the levels of support and resistance out of the way, and then we'll jump into this contest and so on. Now, support. Support is very important for Shiba Inu Coin because it has been trading alongside Bitcoin for quite some time now. And that could lead to a lot of the pullback on social media when it comes to the development team, because price action is something that can't be controlled. As much as we would like to control it, we can't do it. And it follows Bitcoin like a gravitational force of a sun. And right now, if Bitcoin moves lower, Shiba Inu Coin is likely to move lower as well. So 1,000 point per coin is extremely important for Shiba Inu Coin, just as important as this $18,000 mark on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin falls through that $18,000 mark, I would expect Shiba Inu Coin to be very likely to fall through the 1,000 point per coin mark. Now, how far does Bitcoin go down? How far does Shiba Inu Coin go down? Could be something that's just up in the air and left to be determined, but we do have major support on Bitcoin around the $12,000 to $15,000 mark. Shiba Inu Coin may not see major support until the 700 to 800 point per coin mark. So we could experience another 30% decline in both Shiba and Bitcoin if that support on the way down is broken, and therefore it is extremely important that we maintain these current levels. Now the upside. The upside gets a little interesting here because Shiba Inu Coin has been trading sideways for so long, and the last time that it broke out, we saw 1,700, almost 1,800 points per coin. So yes, we could almost, I say almost double, right? But it's roughly a 70% increase from where we are to the next major level of resistance. That is good news. If we're able to buck the trend of the overall market and the Shiba Inu Coin AAA graphics game is a massive success, it is not impossible to test 1,700 points per coin. It is not impossible to retest 2,500 points per coin. Guys, it would be I don't want to say a miracle, but it would be amazing to retest 3,500 points per coin. If we get to that level based on the release of the game and massive success there, yes, it's that 3,500 point per coin level on Shiba Inu Coin has been a major marker for basically the last year and a half now. So we've got our eyes set on that, and who knows, if we do get a nice catalyst from this game, it's absolutely possible that we could see some levels like that. But you need to make sure that we do everything we can to get this game in front of as many people as possible. How do you do it? Simply download it. That's my strategy. Look, I'm not going to sit here and spend any money in the game. I'm not going to go out and do all of this or advertise and market. But if you download the game and everybody joins in and downloads the game, it will be trending in the App Store. It will be trending in the Google Play Store. And if we can get it in front of hundreds of millions of people, it is bound to be a success. So guys, as simple as clicking that download and install button on your phones, and all of a sudden we've got the potential to be in front of hundreds of millions of people. It begs the question, why not? Especially if you've got Shiba Inu Coin, why not do it? Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your sister, tell your brother. They can download the game as well. They don't even have to play it. But if we can get it trending on downloads in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, it could absolutely be a catalyst. Now, speaking of this Shiba Eternity game, they've got a contest going on out there right now. I don't know all of the details. You can absolutely check it out on Twitter, but I do know, okay, you develop a 30-second app trailer. This 30-second app trailer has to be exactly 30 seconds. You got to make sure that you've got the TM or the trademark logo there for Shiba Eternity and so on. And you guys can get a better breakdown of this if you want the actual rules and stuff on their Twitter pages. But you follow these rules and somebody will be the winner. This 30-second app trailer can get you $5,000 worth of Shiba Inu Coin. So make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in it. If you're graphic designers, if you're videographers, and so on, could absolutely be an awesome competition for you to enter and have your work, published in something. That would be absolutely incredible as well. Probably worth more than the $5,000 in Shiba that you would be getting as a reward. So I think we've got a lot of good things coming. I think we've got a lot of catalysts ahead. And I'm telling you right now, when this bear market turns bull, everybody's going to be happy. There's not going to be a sad frown in all of the town when we've got bear markets turning into bull markets, and you guys will be absolutely glad that you outlasted the downturn in Shiba, because you will be there for the rise in Shiba Inu Coin. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, are you still holding and are you still excited about Shiba Inu Coin, and will you download the game? I'm going to download it. I want to know if you're going to download the Shiba Inu Coin Shiba Eternity game. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You're getting KuCoin. It has Shiba Inu Coin. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.